Okie dokie. Oh my gosh, I can't do... We're getting there, one step at a time. We're getting there, one itty bitty step at a time. Sorry, I feel like I have grass on my face. One thing with going to the stables and you end up doing a bunch of stuff. It's a lot. And you get grass everywhere. And it's a pain in the butt. But we continue. That's what I was doing. I was trying to figure out what I was doing. I'm doing something. There we go. It's just gonna take some time. Oh wait! Let's no longer be blind. Boom! I can see things. How nice. And voila. Oh! Some guy. What up? How you doing? How's it going? I see you're having some fun on the biddy right now. Has biddy picked up or not yet? Oh, some guy. All good. Just all good. Not amazing. I feel like you need to say it's going amazing. And that things just couldn't be better. I'm good, some guy. I'm good. Just dandy. Yeah, it finally moved after I watched it do nothing for three hours. 3 hours is insane. Most boring short of my life. Yeah, no, 3 hours is too long. Did you literally sit there watching it? Did you go and do something? Or were you literally sitting there watching it? Hey Mora, what's up? How you doing? How's it going? There's so many things I'm having to try and sort out quick. Your helper, hey what's up? How's it going? Ah, well, let's see, right? Let's see, Mora, we still got time. Ooh, okay, some guy, that's cool. Ayo, Rip. What's up, Lucky Duck? How you doing? How's the Lucky Duck doing today? Well, today? Yep, today. Your helper, teach me trading. What, do you want like the basics? I can help you with the basics. Not much else I can help you with, sorry. What am I thinking today? What's the plan? Mora, good question. Let's have a quick looky see. I want to say continuation to the buy side. Where are all my levels? Oh, I'm not on MNQ. I was so confused. I was like, what is happening? This does not look right at all. There we go. That looks better. Hey, that would have been a win. Whoa. Whoa. Whoa? What the heck, man? There was news there, right? That there must have been news there. What on earth? What the hey diddly day? Those relative equal highs still feel valid now. Interesting. interesting. This would have worked. This would have been a winner. To be fair, both of them would have been a winner. Check if I'd entered at the crying out loud. Naturally, the one I did not take would have been a win. Whatever. Just whatever. Hey, go have fun. Welcome back. How you doing? How's it going? Okay, let me give you my view for NQ. Go on, Mora. What's up? Rip, I'm good. I'm good. Rip it up and push higher towards the high 90Ks. There's a bull trap. And once you're open. Hey, yo, Bob. How's it going? Bull's gonna find out. Okay. So you're a little bit on the short bias, some guy, correct? Cool. Go have fun. I'm good. I'm good. Cannot complain. A little bit frustrated to see that this one would have worked, but I guess it is what it is. Can't win them all. You can lose them all though, but you can't win them all. I feel like that's really frustrating. You grabbed a little piece of that. Damn, Bob! What the heck? This short is ridiculous. Was it just to do with news? I don't actually even understand what solidly happened there, but okay. I'm constant and just a corset, and then I'm wearing jods. I think I'm taking a free day today. Why not? Oh, nice. So Rip, no trades for you. Lean bearish as we're at the top of the range and have swept the range high for the second time. I'm never long on a premium of the range, so I gotta look for shorts until proven otherwise. Oh, okay, some guy got it. YouTube trading. Hi. Bob, coffee time. You know what? I kind of want to agree with you, but I know that's probably a bad idea. I had 2 cups of coffee yesterday, and I did not sleep well. So maybe lesson learned. Let's maybe not do that. Some guy, I get. You know what? That's valid. The whole point is freedom. Some days you need to just say, today I choose freedom. You don't have buyer, but sellers everywhere in the market doing accumulation. Okay. Mora? Was it Murad? Maxwell? Fake game? I don't even know what that means, but okay. Well, in London, it's not required for me to push it. News moved, so quack it. Barbados, Uruguay. What up, Sosa? How you doing? My parents live in Uruguay. You know what? If I get gains today, then I also would not be giving it back. Curiosity is kind of getting the best of me, and I kind of want to see what happens with this range. I probably will not take this. It feels risky. And obviously I'm not going to take anything before open. Oh, and I see there's news at 9:45 and at 10. Okay, let's see. I'm waiting for the manipulation downside. Going to test for up value gap, then we may go up distribution. Okay. But it may happen the opposite. So it may go up before continuing down, or it might take out some sell liquidity before going to the buy side. Hey, Cecil. to me. The only thing that is interesting is the daily high and the 9 open. Press 15 million. Push 930. I'd like to put the low at the 9 to 10 hour. Okay, Rip. Okay. Mora, exactly. But let's see. Oh, nice, Rip. You're gonna have a coffee, sit back, and have good giggles at us. That's what you're gonna do. Which I'm trying to decide if that's completely rude or not. Part of me wants to say it's completely rude. I'm leaning towards it completely rude, but it's fine. We continue. We ball. Anyone else trading the Nasdaq futures today? Are we all ready for this? I would like to think I'm ready, but Periscope, so be careful, NQ is bullish. I was just waiting to see. Oh, NQ is... Oh, never mind. NQ is BS. That's okay. I read that completely wrong. I read bullish and I was like, what? You envy me. I know, I would too. You know what? I admire your confidence. One day I will be that confident. Today's not that day though. But I really admire the confidence. Hello, David. What's up? Why are you awake? What's happening? It's required just to step back. I mean, Rip, if the days keep looking like this, is the 16th a public holiday overseas, or is that more just a South African thing? Actually, don't know. Only true trader, what up? How you doing? Ah, FXMJ, I'm good. How you? Ah, thank you. I appreciate that. Like I said, some days it does not feel that way. Oh, we had 9:30. Sorry, this move just looks so teeny tiny compared to that, whatever you want to call that. But anyways. May have set an alarm for. Thanks, David, but you need sleep. Sure, I need sleep. I keep... Yeah. Let's not complain. Let's focus on the charts. We have got this. Looks like it wants to go up, so potentially manipulation to the buy side before going back down. Or this is the reversal. Only true trader, you didn't get anything short and chill and bored of being short and chill. Yeah, that's valid. Only true trader, you didn't get anything this morning, did you? I don't think you did. No, you didn't. No? Yes. No. Yes. I'm mixing up days. Today doesn't even feel like it's supposed to be Wednesday. Today feels like it's supposed to be Friday. I'm gonna make $1 billion today of Monopoly money. You know what, Sam? In my eyes, that's still winning. It's the thought that counts. This does not look promising. Is it just gonna be rangy until news? This does not look great. Okay. So tired I took a nap. Oh, see, just saying. Just saying that word I could do with a nap, which is weird for me to say. I never say that. But I am exhausted today. It's been a long day. Gracias. Bird father? What? Moving on. Nope, no trades for me in London. Gonna try for New York and see. Okay. You know what? Only true trader, you do have a point. Naps do make me feel more sleepy, but maybe it's the body's way of saying you need to chill. Is it worth looking for any setups before news? Not really. Maybe. I never know. Keep your eyes on 25540. Okay, what do you think is gonna happen there? More odd. For his kids cost a small fortune. I'll tell you that. We replied with Skeletor. That was good. Tequila on you, Celestial. That's a terrible idea. I cannot stress that enough. It may retest it before we go down. So what I'm seeing is actually maybe this was a good entry. If that is the case, I'm gonna be a little bit salty, which is not a great way to start the trading day. Okay, no. To be fair, I've always had the rule of I need to wait at least 5 minutes after open for the volatility to just calm down. And it has not been 5 minutes yet, so it's now been 5 minutes. But the point is, I can't be salty about that. Gotta stick to my rules. Caught that sell all the way. Ooh, well done, Celestial. That's amazing. Whoop whoop indeed for you. That is so cool. Which pair am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq future, so I guess it's not really a pair. Hey. Stop. How long you know? Well, you need to either literally nap for 20 minutes tops or sleep for an entirety of the sleep cycle, which is 19 to 100. Damn, is that like true? Got a baby runner still going. What? Celestial to what? Just gonna keep it going. Okay, I took something at 9:30. Now I'm making the coffee just because Rip lied to us. Rip, did you take a long or a short, by the way? I'm assuming potentially a long. So I need to make a note of something. Come on, Wi-Fi, let's not start so early. Okay, 9:30 open. Let's see where this heads. I think I napped for 3 hours. Oh damn, okay. Could have woken up mid-side because I likely have suffered sleep inertia. Celestia, what was your indication? Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Boom. What up? How's it going, Boom? You've been awfully quiet. Are you good? Sorry, I need to focus. Here we go. NQ still didn't sweep any liquidity yet, so wait for correction to continue down. Like, I'm sitting on my hands. Let's wait and see. I don't know if I should also be waiting until potentially after news, or maybe that's a bad idea. I've heard variations. I've heard it's better to quickly get your trades in before news, and I've heard it's actually better to wait until after news and then trade. What do you guys think? Celestial, exactly. I know what your answer is gonna be, so I was like, nope. Why? I'm not going to even ask. Exactly. Exactly. I knew where that was going. I knew it. I knew which direction that was headed. Over? What's up? If not already in position, would wait until dust settles after news. Okay. You know, that's the reason why I hate scalping. It's like you have to catch the market or the move. I mean, yeah, but that's what also makes it exciting, right? Gotta catch it quick, gotta be on your feet, gotta get ready, gotta get going. To be fair, this hasn't exactly gone very fast, has it? Oh, I say that and now it drops down. Never mind. That's correct. I lost a lot of trades trading before news. Ah, okay. But after the news, you don't need a higher risk to make money. Hell, you know, is it just an idiot? You're just increasing your risk for no reason. Ah, okay, there we go. Hey, David. David G. How you doing? How's it going? Okay. Yeah, just great. I feel like you should be saying it was amazing and you've loved every single millisecond of it, David. No, I'm joking. Hey, Joy of Travel, how you doing? How's everybody doing? Actually, now that, well, nearly the group is here. Where's Geordie? Is Geordie even going to trade today? I wonder. I wonder if Geordie will hop on. Oh yeah, this does not look great. And ES and NQ are a little bit out of sync. Okay. Good, just got home from work. Oh, amazing. Hi Life. What's up, Hi Life? How are you doing? How's it going? This is a good day of, well, I got a free day, awesome. I mean, Rip, you say that, but you already took a trade. Early traders, you love the analysis. Which one? It's a lot of thought and thinking was going on around here. Ready for shorts day, there we go. News update, well, I mean, there's news happening soon in a few minutes. Well, which one is the major one? 9:45 or 10? Is there a major one? I'm sure there's a major one. Always grateful for the blessing of life. Well, that was real profound. I kind of love it. Greetings from the Bermuda Island. Hey, Norman. My cousin lives in Bermuda and my aunt lives in Bermuda, which is wild because Bermuda's tiny. And I don't think they ever bump into each other. It's so weird. Boom Banana being bossy as hell today. Are you good, Boom? Wow, someone woke up on the wrong side of the bed. I just found money on the streets and took it. I got 2 hour 1W from London. Little down for the day. I don't like NFP days. Oh, hi life, I'm sorry. It's okay, I had 1 loss. And then the the 1 hour was forward testing, so I can't be grumpy about that. But the other trade would have been a win. It would have taken a while, but it would have been a win. GMG News, what's up? How's it going? Do I trade from the USA or outside of the USA? I'm in South Africa. Vino? You know, ICT? I use some ICT concepts, if that's what you are asking me. I decided to go Italy for a few months. Just summer, just because you can. That's nice. That's nice. And how's it? What part of Italy are you in? Am I up all the time? Omea, is that what you're asking? Am I up all the time? GMG, I'm good. Joke a little, do I want to know? Probably not. Probably not. Current time in South Africa, it is literally nearly 4:45 in the evening. So it's the afternoon here. I don't know why I said it like that. Traders! Shahadri, I feel like I butchered that. I'm so sorry. Traders, what's up? What if I call you Trader C? Anyways. Ooh, currently in Rome. I've never been to Rome. So I've been to Italy, but I went and we visited like Vienna and was it Venice? No. Tuscany. Oh, that was so cool. Am I a copy trade or not? No more, I'm not. 8:45 a.m. That's not too bad though. That's not too bad. That's not too early. Why not try swing trading? Day trading is too small a percentage. Is it, Paul? I guess it depends on how much you place. It could be a really big percentage. I do not joke a little. I don't know if I... What? It sounds interesting. Who dat? Who is that? Venice is stunning. Looking forward to GMG. Yeah, it was so beautiful. Also went to, I can't remember the name of it. Hey, house, what's up? I can't remember the name of it though, but I went to one of the beachfronts. That was amazing. I think that's where I actually had some of the best pasta. Was at one of the beachfronts. It was very, very cool. Sorry, just a little throwback. That was like in 2017. Nearly 10 years ago. Wow. Tomorrow? What? Sorry. Okay, so it is Morad. Right? Is that correct? Sorry if I offended you. I'm so sorry. Who is it? You got a whole movie about him, really? Hey, how's it going? I mean, this just looks terrible. Okay, nothing happened there for news. Cool. So I guess we're gonna have to just sit on our hands until 10. And if this is just rangy, then I guess... Curiosity. Curiosity gets the best of me with this. Early today was a very long tour, but great. Oh, sorry. Vina, I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Mark 930. Oh, I haven't even... Wait a minute, there is a first presented. There's a first presented fair value gap. As a range. Like the whole thing as a range. Okay. It's an itty bitty one. It's an itty bitty one, but it's there. Interesting. So I had a question for you guys. Went from 53 to 273 million. Oh, damn. What did he do, Joker? Huh. As usual, the entire candle. Okay, my bad. Okay, let's do, there we go, 9:30, range, boom. This looks really bad. This looks so bad right now. I mean, there's a first presented fair value gap, it's just so small. This does not look like New York Open right now at all. Not great. Where Boom Banana? He was here. Boom, where you at? He yelled at me to put a jacket on, which is probably not a bad idea because it is a little bit cold. I think he was yelling at me for different reasons, but whatever. Gosh. Oh no! Stop loss hit. I'm so sorry, item group. Sorry. Maya disregarding the massive 300-point move down. Okay, from the usual open, which is 9:30. Celestial, my bad. Oh, interesting. Oh, okay, he's yelling at me. Jose was asking where you were at. Damn, Boom. You good? COVID helped him. Interesting. Excalibur, welcome. Legal pay, hi. Please walk your what? Item group? Please say that again. You are a good trader? That's good. That's good. Please don't forget to like the stream, guys. Let's grow this community. I was also having a thought. And obviously you guys are my top 1 community. I would be super curious to hear your thoughts on this. Oh, thanks, Celestial. You're very sweet. He said I'm a good trader. Oh. Okay. 1 signal 2 minutes later. Thanks, GMG. I've seen gold looks okay. I don't want to say amazing, but I'm gonna say okay. Gold looks okay. Anyways, point is, for my usual community, I had a thought. And obviously I always want your opinions on things. If I made like a little short course for beginners, like the beginner basics, like how to set up a prop firm and how to, like, the beginner easy basics, like what is a fair value gap, and I know that stuff is everywhere, but there's a lot of people that normally hop on and ask, where do I start? So basically a little course that's cheapish. Do you think that would be a good idea? Again, just for beginners, basically where I started out knowing absolutely nothing. I would just like to hear your thoughts. Oh, thanks, Celestial. Item group, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. Where are you from? What about doing YouTube membership videos? No tier system? I have not. I have not. I haven't actually looked into that. That's maybe an option. McTony's, what up? Be able to explain. Okay, so some guy, you think it's maybe not a bad idea, and obviously just make it a little bit of a payment, because obviously I have to put quite a bit of effort into it, which is not a bad thing. Not saying it's a bad thing to put effort into things, but you know what I mean. Get a little bit of something back. All right, I'm really from Africa. What do you mean how? Interesting. Okay, okay. I need to do something here quickly. What's my say on this price action? Phoenix? It's awful. It's terrible. Do we teach them a good RR ratio on each trade? What do South Africans look like, moron? Careful. Time for that first cup of coffee. Nice, Bob. Only now? I thought you'd already made your cup of coffee. Okay, but you don't think it's like maybe being... How do I put this? You guys don't think it's being greedy of me to maybe do that? You know, do you think it's fine? Like I said, I'm asking you guys because I really, really respect your opinions and I'd love to know what you guys have to think. Hey, yo, do we have something? Maybe not. Maybe not. Hi. Not bad. What pair are we looking at? McTony's. I'm looking at the Nasdaq futures. Fell asleep in my office chair. Nice. Sort of really comfy office chair. Because I get it. This chair is really comfy. Some days even I'm like, it's nap time. Okay, we've broken out here. I'm testing this liquidity line. Shorty is not here. I can call it what I want. A little bit of a trend line breakout, if you will. Great will be if you made the content... What affordable? Why would it be? That's always good. Oh, thank you. Oh, not affordable. Okay. Oh, nice. You're also from Africa, living in Morocco. No, I'm from South Africa. Been here, born and bred, if you will. Okay, to be fair, I am half Portuguese, but I am South African. My opinion, if you're doing a private to teach people help people, then it's not rude. As you said, it'll be time consuming and require a lot of practice. It's not for you to be compensated for your time. But if it's helpful and useful, that's well. I'm also trying a new thing today. Oh, Joy of Travel, what are you trying today? Let's see. I was expecting a little bit more from this, to be fair. It's stuck in this 930 range. Rip, are you still there? Rip's being quiet, which makes me... Oh no, Rip is there. Do whatever you like, as long as it comes from the heart. Damn, Rip, that was really profound. Okay. Hector, you're in Chicago. Welcome. If it's helpful and useful information themselves, I don't see the problem with it. I guess that's true. And I guess not selling that you're going to definitely be amazing, just selling the information, but made it super easy. The new thing is a 15-minute. Oh, okay, Joy of Travel. Have you done some back testing with it? And what are your thoughts? Murad, boring market. Yes. Hector, how long have I been trading? Only since April. So that's why, you know, I didn't want to seem like I'm being a little bit of a hypocrite, but I guess if it's just essentially as I'm learning. Yeah. So you almost make a thing where people can just learn together and build together and grow together, which I think could be quite a nice thing to do, and make it a joined journey, if you will. Another content creator myself from watching your streams and so the audience will create. Ah, GMG, you're amazing. Thank you. I appreciate the feedback. I really, really do. Yo, Trozan, what's up? Well, GMG news. Okay, you're a content creator, right? What would you say is like fair pricing? I guess. I don't know. So I know I'm asking you guys all these random questions. We just clearly have some time on our hands. Oh, 1 minute to be exact. Let's see what happens. Ooh, maybe I do need to get a jersey. That's what I'll do for the next 100 trades. Okay. Did it make sense to you? Joy of Travel? Is that why you giving it a try? Did it make sense to you? It tickled your fancy, if you will. Maybe that's a weird way to put it, but yeah, here we go. Here we go. Yeah. Whoa. I'm buying at 332. If it goes down that far, you're buying, Nox? Am I wearing a Wonder Woman costume? No, I'm not. Just a nice corset. At the bottom of the box, I got a Fair Value Gap from weeks ago. Oh, damn, Nox. Okay. What? Okay. If you say so. That was interesting. Roseanne, you asked any trades? No. I was waiting for, well, news, which has now happened. Waiting for it to get out of this 930 range. And now Rip, are you still here? So many freaks on the internet, Maya. How do you cope? You know what? Just act like a lucky duck. Let it just be water on your back that slides off. Makes no difference in my life. How old am I? Sorry for asking, I know this. More, actually, I'm 27 now, to be fair. Most people don't take the action to educate themselves that wish you well on your journey. Ah, thanks, Hector. Yeah, exactly. I think, yeah, gotta do the tracking. The tracking is a pain in the butt. At least that's what I wanted to do, right, Nox? Long from 25443. Damn, okay, so this spiked down. So if I had, so now I would have seen, okay, it broke out here. This engulfing, I may have entered here. Like I said, I'm testing this. It's almost a bit of a breakout trading, but maybe it's worth it. Let's see. had a look at potentially entering here, where we have a proper engulfing candle. It's broken past the first presented fair value gap, and now it's just shooting off. The question is, where would TP be? Where would you place take profit in this instance, right? So let's say here I went, okay, we have now solidly gone. Make stop loss just below there. Where would TP be? Do you just not be greedy and you just go 2R, which means it would be quick, in and out? Or do you go, let's go for this? Or do you go all the way to the highs? Do you say, screw it, I think we're going all the way back up. There's these equal highs up here, which is like nearly an 8R trade. That feels really greedy though. Like I said, I'm kind of experimenting a little bit with this. That was a nice breakout. Yep. It definitely was. 100%. The rip, yep. Cool. I think that would be awesome. Oh, thank you. You're gonna be 28 next July? Nice. Hector? What? That thing headed back for 600. Wait, Bob, is that where one of your levels is? You think it's going all the way back? So yes. Or do you think it's going higher? Look, there's a Bob level still. I don't know. Bob, does that level still valid? Oh, you're thinking 600 here. Never mind. My bad. Wait. Can I get in on this? Not as FOMO. No, not as FOMO. This is not FOMO here. This is actually a goodie. How big is it? 30. Well, I am going against me. Was this a fake up? Broke. One. Entry a little bit higher would be better, and VWAP is not on my side for this. Make the risk a little bit lower, but the point is I'm going to take it. Maybe it's a bad idea, but I've said it. Hope you think this is just going to go straight up. Risk is off, that's why you're holding. Hey Yash, what's up? You guys made me work on my free day, posted in Discord. RIP! Oh shoot. Oh, this might just continue going down, but anyways. That level is forever. Ah, thanks Bob, thanks. Seems like I always turn the chart on after I did its move for the day. Hey Apple Butter! How you doing? How's it going? Oh, Jose, you're so sweet. Thank you. Manthan, what's up? You're so lost. What's happening? Don't worry. Me too. Hi from Dubai. The rain falling profiles get TP. It's gonna go back up to cover. Hammer? Hi, Hammer. By the way, how's it going? It's back to 50%. Not loving that it's having a little bit of a pause here, but we continue. I'm trying to just be positive and be like, point is that I took it. Right? Yes. Nathan, who's Maya? I'm Maya. What's it trading? Trading? Like the markets? Trading the markets? No? Nope, wrong thing. There's 1-to-1. I'll stick with them. Trades by Cyclops, you think it's going to fall very soon? Maya's my anthem guy, there we go. Some people know trading is losing money from that. There we go. See, some guys got it. It's hands off. I need to just remind myself now that it's hands off. Don't be a silly goose. Leave it alone. No matter what happens now. And now I'm looking at it. Don't look. Number 2. Don't look. What level at 434? 434. Okay. I'll put another bob level at 434. Wait, did I see that correctly? 434. I mean, I'm not loving that that's going in the opposite direction of where I wanted to go right now, but it's okay. It is what it is. Oh. Oh, it's going down. Yeah, it's respect the first presented. Respect it properly, please. Thanks. Pom pom took it down. Oh, what happened? Apple butter? Rip, I'm trying to just, because every time I start overthinking it, I get it, don't worry, I get it. Every time I start overthinking it, it does, yeah, it does exactly what, you know, it is what it is. Squeeze me? There we go. Done. Come what may, exactly. Apple butter, I missed. Oh, wait. Oh. Tried along on ES. Well, that's okay. I'm trying along on NQ. But it's like they say, let's see what happens. And whatever the outcome may be, it is what it is. As long as you stick with your rules. You see, I'm doing my utmost best to not watch what's happening. Hey House, what's up? And Tambi. Ayo. Damn, some guy. Geordie! You know what, Geordie, to be fair, I have been wondering where you were this whole time, but I didn't want to seem like a fangirl being like, guys, where's Geordie? Where's Geordie at? I thought you were just not gonna trade today. I did even ask earlier. I said, I wonder if Geordie's gonna trade today, so don't come here being sassy. I can be sassy right back. Did I do it? Was I sassy? That was a free comment, some guy. I mean, Dylan, it was valid. You marked your confidence, you take the execution. Good. Not the best day, but don't let that let you down. Rip, that is a very high honor to get from you. I appreciate it. I'm alive, may have heard you in my dream. Hey, David, how you doing, fangirl? Exactly, Boom Banana. I am proud to be Geordie's fangirl any day. That's why they pay me the big bucks. I can trade. Let me join you on the slot. Really? I don't know if it's the best idea. I'm just trying not to look. I like how we all came back when we heard Geordie. So, Geordie, what we get from this is that they're actually not here for me. They are here for you. Why does this look like it's going to take me out? I'm going to be a little bit cheeky and give myself a little bit of wiggle room with this first presented. Just a little bit. You know what? We're all just here. Should I change this to teach my trading and join Geordie? And that's it. I'm good on a buy order to all-time high. Ooh, nice house. I mean, I'm also, but doesn't look like it quite wants to go in my favor, but it is what it is. Oh, there we go. Boom Banana's in that short. Volume imbalances are a hell of a drug. Oh no! It closed below my first percentage value gap. It's just not respecting my things that I want them to respect. Fine. Flattery will get you everywhere, people. I'm sick. I can hardly think to trade. Aww. Oh, that makes sense why Boom Banana's been such a sassy molassy today. Bearish order flow, next zone 25300, Mr. K. Why you gotta be such a negative Nancy? Can't you say it's gonna go all the way up to hit my TP first before going back down to that order? No? No one? No one? Cool. Oh, you guys are being nice to Boom. I'm just here being mean, saying, yeah, you're just being sassy. Price gone up and retrace back in the home to trap longs. Like me? Yes? Cool. Amazing. That's great. So everyone's just a little bit sick today. Great. Boom. Boom here blaming other people for his problems. Honestly. Sad. Price needs to move now or never. Basically, either take me in or well, go up. Either way, just take me out of my misery. If it's up or down at this point. Some guy, you know, is man flu a real thing? I feel like, is it? I feel like it is. But again, I'm biased. So do you guys think man flu is a real thing? Oh damn, David. Oh damn. Okay, my bad. Trade with the Kush, what's up? Yeah. Should I invest money or start tracking performance of? I would start with the knowledge. Yeah, I would start with the knowledge. My out here don't want to come take care of me. I mean, Boom, if you're gonna fly me over, I will come look after you. You know, can't promise I'll be nice. Maybe I'll give you some guy's antidote, which is just what, take a mug of man the duck up. I'm joking. I won't do that. I am nice. Hey, David, what the? Another David. We got like 3 Davids in here. I love it. Vaccine this time. Finally came back from a week-long business trip to Miami. Ooh, rough life. Feel since it's cold up here in Chicago, Miami's still hot. Yeah. Oh, flip. That's rough. That's rough. So look here, but good luck. Oh, thank you. Well, let's see. It needs to essentially when it hits the VWAP, I'm gonna move or mitigate my risk by half. Anyways, I promise I'll be done. I need tequila, helps the sick. I mean, that makes sense. You know, alcohol swabs help the outside boo-boos. Alcohol can help the inside boo-boos. Yes? No? Is that wrong? That's bad. No, we don't say that. That's bad promoting. Bad. Anyway. Give her the worst plane ride. Boom, so mean. It's done. I have a nice petite shape. Thank you. I've been feeling like a whale. No, well, not the nice trading whales. I wish I felt like a nice trading whale. Felt like the other whales this last week, but it didn't what it do. Get a standing only flight. Some guy, I will look at the positives of that and be like, my core will be amazing. Okay, mitigate risk by half. Now, so even if it comes back down, it's only a half loss. I have left one runner, by the way. I don't know if that's a good or bad idea, but I have left a runner. You got that. I love you too. RIP? I don't understand it. It's all AI. Jordy, this is not AI. I work not that hard. Sorry. Oh no! No, go back up. No, go back up. You know what's frustrating? I was considering putting... Fine. You're in at 527? Have you moved your... Oh my gosh! I was just about to ask if you've moved your stop loss to break even, but okie dokie then. I'll just pay her to fly back, wow. Noise trade, insane stop placement. I know the only problem is, do I now move this to break even because this is looking a little risque, or we're sticking to our rules, right? We stick to the rules. Even though the rules are terrifying me right now. Mark that tiny little gap near my stop. This one? This itty bitty gap? This itty bitty gap. Hey! There's a Gop? What's up, Gop? Welcome, welcome. It's downsized to 2 micro, so true. Leave it alone. At 600 at right. Okay, Bob, yes. I will leave it alone. Theoretically, this should be a little bit lower down, but no, leaving it alone, leaving it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. I'm gonna sit on my hands. House. Do I drink? Yeah, not that often though. Now and then some adult juice is not bad. I know that might be a weird thing to say, but it is what it is. We are not all normal here. I looked at it again. Stop looking at it. I'm just gonna keep looking at you guys. Jordy, this is where you're supposed to be distracting me. Like we did a terrible job distracting you yesterday during that stressful trade you had. Have faith, lady. Yeah. I'm in a long up to London high. Oh, damn! Another Bob. Well, Bob Z, what's up? Hey, Fahim. Well, technically, I'm not a teacher, but I'm on the Nasdaq futures. What's up? No! Okay, well, took me out. Damn it. Oh, sad. Okay. It is what it is. So sad. Jordy, you still in or did you keep your stop loss down? Oh, boom banana! Oh, it's okay, guys. What the fluff? Imagine it goes back up now. Then I know when it comes to the first presented, leave it alone. I really thought it would take out some liquidity first before doing that, but okay. What the? This is frustrating to watch right now. What the heck, man? Hey Snuffer, what's up? You still made a trade. Boom is in a trade right now. I may add more here. Geordie, I wanted to maybe re-enter, but that now feels like just chasing and... What the heck, man? That was low-key really rude. Bobs, so I have a rule with this trade. When it hits 1-to-1, I mitigate my risk by half. So my stop loss was here. So it took me out. It's part of my risk management. When it hits 1-to-1 R, mitigate my risk by half. Because normally it comes back, taps break even potentially again before going back up. This time it came back, tapped into the first presented, and then went back up. Well, that's fun. Send you a screenshot. Thank you. No, but that was the rule. The rule is at 1-to-1 R. Okay, but maybe it's just don't do that when it's at 70%. Go to break even, or just leave it alone completely. So annoying. This is frustrating. I watched my short around my entry for basically 4 hours today for it to get stopped out at break even. Some guy, did you get anything out of that? Apple butter, almost like it knew where you're stop. Honestly. I feel like that was unnecessarily frustrating, but at least I'm taking them. I'm trying to be positive. Trying. Should keep track of how many times the rule cost me. So, Bob, this was the argument that Knight had. Do you remember there was that whole discussion about, are break-evens even worth it? I feel like break-evens have saved me a lot, but they could also cost you a lot. Because then there were the arguments of partials at 1-to-1. Right, but then the math doesn't work out, especially with a 1-to-2 R trade. Partials make sense, I think, with a higher R strategy. However, goodness grief. However, with a 1-to-2 R strategy, the math makes no sense. If I go out at 1-to-1, I might as well take everything out at 1-to-1. Does that make sense? Am I making sense? I hope I'm making kind of sense. I'm gonna leave this to 10.5 no longer. Let's see if we can break even. Intentional TP1, 2% locked. Now let's see how many more I can get out. Oh, okay, some guy. Nice. At the minute, it will hit 603 to fill the gap. Okay, see, when I hear things like that, my little FOMO brain goes, should I just re-enter? Like, FOMO brain wants to take over and be like, I could just re-enter. I can quickly draw even this range and quickly hop in, but don't let FOMO win, and right now it's ranging. We don't trade in the chop. Leave it alone. Leave it alone. I am having to have this conversation. Sorry, this is more me yelling at myself, but I'm telling myself to not do that. Trust that 600. Mafiatis, you think it's gonna dump now? Interesting. Target 1 to 2 and leave it the heck alone. That volume and balance gave 2 setups without drawdown 100 points. Just those setups. But I couldn't sit there staring at it anymore. Just as well I did break evens, would have ended up getting stopped. Got much better entry now. Oh, okay. Oh, thanks, Bobs. You're so sweet. I've quit moving my stops, but I'm not sure if it's really helping yet. David, you are hilarious. Shout out to David though for all the donuts. Just saying. David? Mad love. Oh, Rip? Wait, is this Rip? Oh, I got... Oh, you know what? Sorry, I'm looking at Bob's, he sent me a picture of his chair. To be fair, I've sat in those chairs. They are quite comfy. Bob, have you taken this trade? Yeah. Oh. Okay, wait. Rip, are you still there? Is Rip still here? There you are. You have 2 setups without 100 points. Just those setups. Okay, wait. So you're saying this here is a bit of a magnet, kind of like a first presented, but also a key support level, so they're going to just reject off of it. And are these rare, like little, I want to say nuggets, but that sounds weird, but you get what I mean. Are these rare little nuggets that kind of present themselves now and then? In this case, yeah, the stop loss placement was really good. Unfortunate about that, but whatever. Sorry, this has piqued my curiosity. Do these happen often, these imbalances? Or those type of imbalances? Not really. Mohammed, can you buy or sell? I mean, that's up to you. Just saying. Do not come here for pointers. I will disappoint. Get it? Just disappoint. Anyway, moving on. I'm from South Africa. I think go protein breakfast drinks. Are they good? I'm assuming they're good. Painful consolidation. Yash. Yes. Some guy. Why are internet people so freaking weird? You know what? I wish I had an answer, but I don't think there is one. I think it's just some people maybe just need attention. Hey, whoa! I'm waiting for Rip to answer my question. Still thing. Wait, what did I miss? There's something very advanced, requires experience to play with those. Well, I mean, technically, with these, if you move it a tiny bit higher, this would have been triple tap and up. What the? What on? What is happening? What the? What just happened? Holy F-U candle. I mean, number one, feels bad, man, about getting my stop loss hit. Maybe I should just start to leave it alone. I would have had some profit there. That is a bit frustrating, man. But also, what the heck just happened? Anyone? Anyone? They're just respecting that imbalance like a... insane amount. Have 5 minutes. Jordy, you glad you're in this now? Yeah, boom, I should have. So boom, how are those shorts treating you right now? Chandrix, I'm on Project X. 30 pumpsicles. Oh no, apple butter, what the? Break even now? Yeah. Up 12k, damn, Bob. Whoop whoop, that's amazing. Look at you go. Volume imbalances are a hell of a drug. Oh, this freaking sucks. And I left a runner. I would still be in this. Here was actually TP taking... Yeah, here was TP. And I left a runner. Well, I'm sad now. What the heck? See, now, FOMO brain also wants to be like, I can probably re-enter at like VWAP, right? Don't let the FOMO win. Fear of missing out, just before someone says that sounds weird. Hey, Ballin, what's up? Bob's 603. Oh, yeah, you did. You called the 603 level. Let's see. Is this chasing? This feels... Oh. Boom banana good? What do you mean good? All in real ones don't use stop loss. Okay. Moving on. But could we have done better? Geordie apparently just not moved my stop loss. But I stuck with the rules. That's why I'm conflicted, because I listened to the rules and now the rules bit me. That does feel bad. Ah, but you see there's Bob and now there's Bob. Bob with a Z. Then 651, damn. Bob with a Z also coming with his levels. I got rid of all the margarine, that would be a butter place. Oh, Skeletor, what the heck? Chris Jr., what's up? So we had Bob level now. So no, this is Bob with a Z level. OG Bob is up here at 715. I think. Bob, is there another level in between here? I think there's another level in between. Yes, I think there is another level in between. I didn't go check. I'm sad. Anyways, it's fine. Apparently the thing is to just not move. The stop loss. It's fine. It's technically at 610. Okay, wait, here's Bob level. Not Bob with a Z. Other Bob. There's two Bobs here. It's gonna be confusing. Feels like chasing, don't do it. The only thing that said whack your rules was the volume imbalance. That's why I took your time. I know, Rip, but I saw it too late. David? Oh my gosh. Look at that, guys. $5 up. Oh, thank you. You are hilarious. Get rid of that fake Bob. Damn! Bobsy, you got a challenger on your hands. Sigh. Okay. Like I said, I'm a bit sad now. It was such a good trade. Apart from the imbalance, so I must take more notes of those imbalances. I thought they wanted to fill those imbalances, not reject hectically off of them. Why do they reject so hectically off of them? Take notes, guys, how to cheer a woman out money. Bob's evil twin. Butter. There can only be one on the OG. What's up? How's it going? Anthea, hi. You guys are hilarious. I just look like I kind of want to slowly start going back down. Do I still have TradingView? No. If I get a funding ticks account, I'll have to. Actually, maybe I can. I must check because Project X isn't going to be a thing anymore. I think top one. Need to double check. I actually might be able to go back onto TradingView. Why, Bob? What's up? Thank you, ma'am. Hey, whoop whoop, Mohammed. Well done. Yeah, the direction, execution, everything right. That's a huge thing. Your trade management will improve with time. No worries. In this kind of price action. Thanks, Rip. I appreciate that. I think it's just frustrating to see. I wouldn't call it a perfect trade because obviously, like you said, the price action is not ideal, but it is what it is. Hey Brian, what's up? Ankit, where am I from? I'm from South Africa. What's up? No feelings, joined. Are you good? Booked $400. Are you a hammer? Because you hit the nail on the head. Oh, interesting. Well, like I said, Bob, let me have a look. Let me have a look. I actually might be able to get me TradingView back up and running. I don't know why I said it like that, but we're going with it. We're just going with it. Am I about to get them Bob levels? I'm excited. Do you know what I haven't done? Oh, there's so many things to do and no time to do them. Oh. We just gotta be better. We can do this. No, David, I'm not even upset about the loss. I think it's more frustrating than anything else to know that you had the right idea, you had the right trade, you had the right setup. But that stupid but. It's fine. It's super easy. Once you set them, you never have to move them. Interesting. Obviously, how is that not a great call? I'm still on. When did Jordy say it's not a great call? I'm confused. Ooh, nice, some guy. Good idea. Good idea. Yeah, go touch some grass. Go have a good time. Cheers, cheers, some guy. Enjoy. Go have fun without us. A little bit rude, but whatever. Just kidding. Just messing around. I mean, would have been a win, but definitely would have been chasing. That would have been pushing it a little bit. Although Nox said I should try give those a go, but just with one contract and see how that goes. Let's see, is it gonna hit the Bob levels? Both Bobs have levels here. I'm a bit stuck in my funding terms. I don't know why I can't get out of break even. At least I'm not losing my... Oh, no, exactly. That's not bad though. Break even's better than loss. Is it just a mental thing, maybe? I don't know. Can't relate right now. Jordy, that makes sense. That makes lots of sense. I like that. I mean, David, when you have a point, you have a point. Purport your account. Why? Boom, why are you purporting? Maurice, you're nocturnal. Well, Maurice, no. I did disappear for a little bit. I'm still watching this. I did disappear a little bit. South Africa times are a tad bit different. Just saying. Hi, Maurice. Ayo. If someone is in position, pay the duck. Yep. No. Rip is the lucky duck. He is indeed the lucky duck. Gotta respect the lucky duck. He is not one with us silly geese. Meep. Ciao. Cool. Did I win this morning? No, I did not, Chris Witcher, and I got taken out of this one, which was fun. It should have been a win, but it's fine. You know, at the end of the day, I did stick with my rules. I just missed the damn imbalance, and that's what got me. I mean, Chris, which it's still whoop whoop. Did I take the entry again? House, I did not. How tall am I in pips? I've never heard that before in my life, but I do not know. Yeah, exactly, Maurice. South Africa's times are a little bit different. It's like you're middle of the night, it's middle of the day here. Oh yeah. Oh, it's been a long week. Okie dokie. So, there was something that Knox was mentioning. So if this feels a little bit risky, but I mean, lots of trades here, quick trade, boom, in and up. Then you go to the next one and just start with one contract each. Boom, in. Let's see if this goes back up. It seems risky, but maybe it's an option. I don't know. What are your thoughts on it? Jordy? What does silly goose and lucky duck mean? It's just kind of become an inside joke in all honesty. We call it a joke, it's kind of a joke. Taking a trade in general per day, one in my opinion. I went a week or two just unable to click a button because I didn't want to blow the eval. You know what, Chris, I appreciate that actually. That does make me feel a little bit better. What was it, like 2 days ago? No, it was. On Monday, I got so stuck. Yeah, I don't know a better way to describe it. You almost get stuck in your analysis paralysis. I had that because I was like, I don't want to lose. I don't want to lose. And so I didn't take them, and naturally they were then winning trades. So I'm trying my best to stop being a silly goose and overthinking everything and taking them. Obviously don't take the silly ones, like still take your A+ setups, but when you see them, take them. Hit or miss, you took them, right? Maya 7 horse hair long. It depends on the horse's hair. Let's just be real. Hey, Stop Chase, what's up? Oh, Jordy, sorry. I'm very... Okay, if this thing will be off for $10 at this point, yeah. Oh my god, Jordy. So there was a day where it was just kind of steadily going up, but it was this... Yeah, definitely not momentum. It was going up slowly. And Nox said, why don't you just take those little itty-bitty ranges? I don't know if they're worth it. Like, this would have been a win. Would have gone in and up in a minute, literally. This range, it's, like I said, we're seeing this looks like it's gonna hit stop loss, but just start with one contract each. It's gonna be like nothing. See if they work, and if they work, you start adding more contracts. Maybe that's just more gambling. Doesn't feel like there's any confluence or thought. Obviously, if there's a very clear indication of which direction we headed, go for it. Sorry, Wi-Fi cut out there, didn't it? Hey, Finn! Finn! I like you. You can stay. My horse's name is Finn. I love the stream. I have a little question. I'd love your opinion on this. When return dynamics become non... Olin, that was a lot of big words in one sentence. Okay, give me a minute. Let me try and read that slowly. I know, I'm sorry. I saw that happen. That was a crazy lag. I'm sorry. I don't know what happened there. It just went, yep, done. Sorry. If it's trending, then yes. I think the biggest issue with this strat is not identifying what kind of market we're in for the day of week. If it's trending, it should respect the QOBs. But even on itty bitty little ranges like this, you know, like this looks like it's headed towards a loss. Like I said, that one would have been a win. And then it's a 1 to 2 hour trade. That would have been a win. This, oh, I think this actually would have hit stop loss. Yeah. Let's use this for example, where I have this liquidity line. right? Where I have the liquidity line. In, out. Boom. Now we move this again to here. This one may have not worked out. Okay. There's a loss straight away. Then we move to the next one. 1 and 2. In and down to TP. So there I'm up 3R. It's just not a very correct way of doing things. Like, it doesn't feel right. But it works. So here, again, would have come up and straight away down. Next range obviously would have just gone straight up and would have been a loss, but right there, what was that? 1, 2, 3 wins, 1 loss in a tiny range, but there's a very clear indication that we're headed down. Sorry, I was talking to myself there quite a bit. I'm sorry. That was me kind of thinking out loud. Apologies. I know I was kind of talking to myself, but anyway, thoughts on that? That my whole little random discussion I was having with myself there. That lag is usually what happens in my brain before I say something dumb. Oh, you're funny. Oh, no. Things have happened. Okay. Maybe try restart things one last time. Don't. No. What have I done? Well, she just said she jumps into it like a leap of... No, Maurice. No, I don't. No, I don't. This is... I'm thinking out loud. Joy of travel, 2 trades for today and both win. Whoop whoop, that's amazing, well done. Always mark yesterday's close. 9 times out of 10 will go back there. Oh, okay, Bobs. Little price increments, okay. How'd you get into the other chat? Is there a Discord? Oh, Maurice, there is a Discord, by the way. I thought Maurice knew. Alright, Maurice, here we go. I gotcha. I got you, boo. I don't know why I said it like that, but we're going with it. We're just gonna stick with the weirdness. We're rolling the weirdness train today. Riding the weirdness train? Anyways. Point is, we're doing this. Yep. Let's try this one last thing. One last time. One last thing. One last time. So, Jordy, you don't think that's a good idea? I'm talking about like these little random moves where, you know, I can see, here we go. Essentially the flags. Right? Like the bull flags and bear flags and things like that. But maybe that's not the best example. Maybe there's a better example somewhere else. Trying to find a better example. How do you discriminate? Gordon, why are you being difficult out of curiosity? She's got 2 streams. Yep. Baloo? Baloo, what's up? Maurice. Oh, lurk? Yes and no. Do you know what's frustrating? With my rules, when it hits 1 to 1R, I mitigate my risk by half. So it actually took me out at a bit of a loss before going up to TP. So that was fun, but it, you know, I guess it is what it is. Azrael, what's up? Welcome back. How's it going? When the fluctuation in price becomes this sort of noise, how do you safeguard your... Olin, if I'm understanding that question correctly, just management. Risk management is the key to that one. Regards to the noise, you get used to the noise. I think it makes sense, but the context of what the market is doing is important. But again, the question is it worth taking those little risks? You know, like... Like, theoretically, I could have hopped in on this, but because we are now losing a little bit of oomph, if you will, I don't know how I feel about it. Huh. Maybe I should have felt fine about it, but anyways. But Jordy, that's the thing. What if it's working with the little liquidity grabs before a big move in the opposite direction? Does that make sense? Sorry, and I'm thinking out loud and bringing random stuff in here. Oh, Squawk, at least you managed risk and stuff too. But oh, you know what, Dirk? Thank you. I'll take it. I'll take it. I'm feeling better about it now. I was really grumpy earlier, but it's fine. People be like, what do you do? Just say risk management. Oh, you know what? Chris Witcher, I like that. Thanks, the answer was funny. Sure, Ballin. Any day. I just saw your horse. You're a super nerd. Thanks, Maurice. I wouldn't think horse riding was classified as nerdy, but I will take it. You know what would be nerdy? Oh, maybe I should do that. No, see, this is the... Because I didn't take it, because I didn't want to say no stupid. It's fine. Build a bridge and get over it. Let's watch and see what happens here. Basically trading the corrections, Geordie. So not the impulses, because obviously I can't get in on the impulses if it runs away too quickly. But the corrections. But then you are kind of going against trend, which feels silly. The only thing that I look for is 250 a day. Oh, that's good though. Joy of travel. Rather wait to catch one big move and be done. Or 3 little ones. You're essentially trading the manipulation. But that's the problem, Jolly. Then in that case, I actually need to find a strategy where I can get in on the impulses. Because I miss the impulses. And then it's like, oh, well, and well, I say that, but here we are. I've now just naturally missed this trade. Because I was having a look at weird and random things. Anyways. Hey, DJ. No. Nerd. Ballin'. Oh, I could have this argument. I've had this argument multiple times. No, I am indeed a nerd. I'm not even going to deny that one. I'm indeed a nerd, but not for the horse reason. Raj, what platform do I trade? I'm trading the Project X. Yeah, I mean the Nasdaq futures on Project X, yes. Oh, thanks, David. It's more than doable, but in the futures world, a few ticks could make or break. You have to be pretty confident. I guess that's true. Bob, what's the uh-oh? Just me not taking the trade? Yep. I don't know, man. I usually just... There was a really weird noise. And I thought maybe it was hailing. Jordy, did you get hit by the hail? I saw all the videos of the hail going on and I was like, damn. Exactly, Maurice. D&D. I mean, there's a few more, but still. What color's my Bugatti? I wish. Do I wish? I would go for an Aston. I mean, point is, I can't afford either, but still. That's not all your questions. Cheers. Thanks, Rip. And you catch its rhythm, sort of like you can feel the impulse coming. So again, Geordie, this is where this. I know you hate this, but I'm not trading the line. I'm trading the breakout of the line, but I know that's kind of breakout trading, so I'm conflicted about that. But this worked twice. Here, I forward tested here, where I forward tested earlier as well. Oh, this is just ranging again. Ugh. During London, here, this here was me forward testing this breakout. So here it goes down. You can see it's broken out properly. I would have pretended, okay, here we go. Here's my entry. Would have eventually hit TP. And that was a 2-hour trade. I mean, it would have worked for my stop anyways. I mean, my sell anyways as well. Sorry, I'm doing a lot of what ifs today, but this is also not great price action right now, so it is what it is. It is what it is. Okay, David, to be fair, I like both. Just saying. I know I dance enough. Okay, but it's the confidence phase you're in now. Most of us have been through it, to be fair. No, that's true. Bob, here it comes. What, do you think it's gonna shoot up? Yeah, I was buying 8 ones of biscuits. Got slammed with hail though. Damn, okay. This thing is kung fu chopping. Wait, and just like that, we got another Bob quote. I nearly forgot about the Bob quotes, and then I saw this the other day and I was like, oh! Where are my Bob quotes? There we go. Bob's fun sayings. These things are gold mines. Everybody was kung fu fighting. Yeah! Okay, hang on. That's now gonna be stuck in my head. Thanks for that, Bob. That's all on you. That's your fault. What's your name in the other chat? Never in a million years. Oh gosh, okay, we've started the nerd chat. I'm all for it, but anyways. Love the nerd chat. Try look at your first 15-minute candle and see how many scalps you could have been going on. Okay, let me make the noise go away for a second. To be fair, this looks like it's going down to break even if I had gotten into that trade, so I guess that's fine. Okay, let's do opening. Anyone who does not want to be blinded, close your eyes. Here we go. Because I know you guys yell at me for that. Now, see, Joy's travel, I don't quite understand. I thought with the orb, it's to do with once it's broken out properly, you would then buy. Maybe I just wasn't understanding it, but maybe that's why it just didn't work for me. I never really understood it. Probe NQ sells, we got SMT. It's Warhammer rocks. Oh, I have all my fellow nerds joined, I love it. Wow. Rude. What's wrong with the Necrons? Conversations about life. Destiny is a brainy game, I love it. Rip, did you not know that? Come on, Lucky Duck, that was serious silly goose movements there, I'm just saying. It looks like there's so much going on. It is. Uh-oh, what is Maya doing? I'm looking at, well, Joy of Travel was mentioning the 15-minute orb. But it's like I said, I've never properly understood it. Bob, I know you used to trade. What these the 5? Was it the 5 or the 15? You did both, didn't you? Oh, 10. Do you know what I forgot to do? I forgot to mark out the 10. Ooh, we got in trouble. I think they were nearly in 9, weren't they? Never mind. I'm out. I don't want to stay in this. Oh, Jordy, were you still in this? Damn. Okay. I didn't even know you were still in this. Oh my goodness. I know. I'm sorry. $15 and $5. David Howe? Love the Dapian. You want to learn trading? Awesome. Swears not on that. Rip. That was some proper silly goose stuff. I think just for that, Rip is an honorary silly goose today. Because that is amazing. Silly goose status. Welcome. Yesterday I smashed long, exited, then went immediately short. Had 2 targets, literally just waited. Jordy, I guess that's true. That's true. And here, this is that W formation, if you will. I know some people don't like that, and this is... It looks like... I saw this, and I thought it looked a little bit like an M. I don't know how I quite feel about those, though. No, cuddly Space Marines. Nice. Maurice, Jordy, what are you doing? I can't watch. What is Jordy doing? What is Jordy doing? Jordy? What's happening? I feel like I'm missing something. I'm watching the 15-minute purely out of curiosity. I'm a bit salty at what happened. I don't. Okay, wait. Maybe let's focus on my strategy for a minute. Seeming as I have not done that at all. Yeah. If we looked here, that's not going to be a good entry. That entry would have been a break. Actually, the price action today is just garbage. Is this what December's like? This sucks. I don't like December. David, I mean, that's quite valid. The problem is I'm nice to everyone. Risky Lucky Duck Geordie, hope you're winning. Think about bad influence and since she's seen our trades against the wind. No. No. Maria's Geordie's good. I think Geordie, you're in the green today, right? Yeah, let's go back to these stupid little order block trades I used to do. I say stupid, I mean they worked. It was a valid trade. Wasn't the best win rate though, unfortunately. That's going against things. I mean, it has the shelf to... Maybe it wants to go back down to the first presented and the imbalance. Go there. Go there. So rip with the imbalance, because obviously it's rejected like solidly off of it. Is its goal to come and fill that imbalance? That's for her to experience. Can't take that from anybody. I know, Rip, but I'm also here asking opinions. You guys are here to help teach. No? I'm trying my luck. Bob, when you say uh-oh, I get scared. What is uh-oh? Sitting on these strong hands now. There we go. Four stairs, which I like to do. Yep. Right? Bob, every time you go uh-oh, I panic. I'm like, what's happening? What did we just uh-oh? Uh-oh. Okay, moving on. What? How is it already like 6:15? Where did the time go? What the heck? Where did the time go? You know what, Geordie? You have inspired me today. Can I just say? You have inspired me. I forgot it was Wednesday. I forgot it was Wacky Wednesday. I'm probably gonna get Wacky Wednesday for dinner, which I know is bad. It's a proper it's a ducat week, which is not great. I will get back into the swing of things after this week, but it's a ducat week. I feel like it's allowed. It's my birthday week. We're allowed to have ducat weeks now and then. Have I ever tried out a funded account Alpha Futures and stuff? I have not, DJ. Dude, I feel like that's a risky business, especially if I'm not profitable yet. Bob, control yourselves. I know. Take profit, market goes down, you say. Midnight open is a lovely level. I have not marked midnight open. I should probably be better at doing that as well. Hey, Midnight, where you at? Sound like I'm calling a horse. Do you know how many horses out there are called Midnight? Wake up! Wi-Fi! This price action today is garbage. Oh, that would have been so rude. Wacky Wednesdays? No, winning Wednesdays. DJ, I love it. Ah, this is not longer, is it? Is my vertical stream still live right now? I don't even know. Ah, it's fine. Woo! Sorry, doing weird wonderful things. What's your opinion? My view was understanding context first, knowing what kind of market we're in matters before marking out any range, yeah? Chuck it in the ducket bucket, get those wackies. 69.90, baby! Honestly, Jordy, that's just, it's the way to go. It's turning into one of those weeks, and I'm fine with that. I'm fine with that. We all need some of those weeks, right? David, I think so. Maurice, and all I've had was L's. Oh, I'll say that. I said I've had 1.5 L's. I had 1 full and 1.5. Oh, if I had said this, it would have been headed. Whoop, there it would have been 3 L's. So thank heavens. Thank heavens we listen to ourselves sometimes. Sometimes being the key word there. That pre-market drop was honestly, Bob, you didn't get into that, did you? Did you get into that? To be fair, if you have pre-market like that, isn't it kind of safe to assume that market is just gonna be a little bit rangy, making up for that ridiculous drop it had pre-market? Or is that not accurate? Damn, Bob balling. What the heck, man? Well done, that's amazing. Whoop whoop, indeed. Things you look for every day. Sessions, liquidity, speed time, macros. Opening ranges. Did you gonna buy Nasdaq in 3-ish minutes? Why 3-ish minutes? Why so precise with the 3-ish minutes? And right there, we got another Bob quote. Should I start with... Who wants to hear the original Bob quote? The quote that made me start this whole thing. It's been a minute since I've done these. Like I said, I was thinking of them the other day. It was awesome. Flip. Anyways, I was literally reading some of Bob's quotes. I love this. Oh, actually, that reminds me. Bob, how's Daddy doing? How's Deadpool doing? Sorry, I'm having such a good giggle. There's like some nostalgia going on. That's when RSI is hitting top standard deviation. Oh. Okay, nice, DJ. Cool, 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 cool. Some proper nostalgia. Oh, hello. Cool. Price action is garbage. Why are you like this? Stop being like this. That's a Marty jokey joke. Perfect. How long have we been trading for? Since April. Yeah. I want to say not that long, but it feels like we're nearly rounding on a year, which is wild. No. No. Sorry. Sorry that the Wi-Fi is being a pain. What? What did I... What? How did I force you to stay and trade? What did I do? What did I do? Why was it me? If you've ever partied with the Delta Gamma, you would agree. Hey! Pink? What's up? I didn't know how I felt about that. Guy news, you're my team. I don't know what you're talking about. I don't know what you're talking about. But yeah, we are all lucky ducks because the lucky duck OG is in the house, so that's fine. I'm just being a little bit of a suck up here, but it's fine. Richard, what's up? Hi. Guys, it's nearly Christmas. Who here actually likes Christmas? Out of curiosity, who here actually enjoys Christmas? And we are just ranging again. Yay for us. I'm gonna copy trade you tomorrow. Thanks, Bob. Thanks. But not the choice. Wait, Bob, sorry, I don't think you heard me. I think the lag kicked in. How's Deddy doing? How's Deadwolf? Oh, sorry, King. Wrong place for that. Bob, why you gotta put me under pressure? I said that. No? I just yeeted my hair clip. I'm gonna play with the shell instead. Feels safer than wanting to play with the pins that I normally play with. Okay, well, I mean, this really sucks right now, so... I would say let's give it 5 more minutes. Oof. Big oof. This sucks. This is just hands off. This is hands off stuff. But why in the quack are there 2 live streams? Rip, I cannot believe that you didn't know that. Oh, you want to learn about my strategy? Sure. I'm still learning. There was still sand in the shell. I've caused a mess. I'm getting better at it, if you will. Really? Bob, that's quite sad. Some there, some here. Where did you think the rest of these comments were coming from? Addis, what's up? Teen Hustle. I feel like now and then I give Rip a moment and he gets really upset about them. Oh well, that's okay. Well, I mean, Rip, it just depends on which one you prefer. Do you prefer the top or the bottom? Teen Hustle, what's up? How's it going? What am I trading? I'm trading the Nasdaq futures. Well, to be more accurate, I'm watching this really annoying price action in the Nasdaq futures. If we're gonna be more specific. Would not have taken this one. There's absolutely, well, there's one no, not even. Blech. I thought I'm crazy and I accepted that. That's valid. Okay. Rip, the teeny tiny one is for the teeny tiny creepers and thugs. To give the people what they want. I'm getting out of my feathers about the situation. I'm so sorry. I see the 5-minute orb was solid again. Was it the 5-minute? So I've mapped out the 15-minute. I haven't checked the 5-minute orb. Okay. I'm gonna close the 15-minute orb. Let's check out the 5-minute orb. I'm kind of Curious. I want to see how it respected the 5 minute. Like I said, I've tried the old strategy. It just stay here. Bob's here, and it's way less creepy. Yeah, exactly. Today's ES price action. Oh, listen, wisdom wins. The price action today is just. Oh, I guess we're just slowly filling this gap here. Okay. 5 minute. Everyone, close your eyes. You do not want to be upset. Oh no, I feel like I did not map that out correctly at all. What have I done? What have I done? I can't even see. Maybe that will help if I zoomed in. Oh, Wi-Fi, you little brat. Work with me. No, got stopped out twice for break even. Oh, don't worry, I got stopped out in a little bit of a loss, and then it proceeded to go up to my TP. So that was fun. Jordy's never yelled at me. Now I feel bad. Now I feel sad. Okay, moving on. Anyways. Oh, it basically looks exactly the same. Okay, never mind. All that for no reason. Jordy yelled at me. Now I feel upset. Okay, moving on. I'll just put my big girl pants on and not cry about it. Carlos, did you even send a message? I literally do not see a message. Oh no, you're just spamming. Never mind. Carrying on. Ignoring. Moving on. Well, it's 11:30. Price action sucks. So I'm gonna call it. I'm gonna call this day for what it is, which is annoying. I'm in a little bit of a losing streak, which kind of sucks as well, but it is what it is. Losing streak, definitely not a winning streak. But why is it a mess? I don't understand. Here, I blocked out the 5 minute. I know exactly what's going on. Here's the first presented. This is the imbalance. This was the 9:30 a.m. range. Here's my GAN box. This was me forward testing the liquidity line. I don't understand what's messy about it. I'm just saying. Have we seen, I know he's not here to defend himself, but have we seen Thomas's Christmas trees? Oh, thank you, Jordy. There we go. It's use it for a trade long, above and short, where it's under the orbit. I use order flow to see if it's a sellable. Ah, okay, interesting. Bob, yep, indeed. See, so basically anything else that I took today would have been a loss. So today would have just been bad. So I'm glad I didn't take another trade. Bob, we headed for that 16. Ooh. You think this is gonna rocket up right now? Okay, I'm watching. My elbow. Big T's charts can be seen from space. Exactly, Bob. I am sorry. Mine looks like a neat little pretty gift wrapped present compared. Yeah, Rip, that's Bob. That's Bob. I've blown Rip's mind and I'm all for it. I'm so happy about that. Hey, Southpaw. Yeah, it was, but it's fine. It is what it is. Unfortunately, a little loss this morning and a trade that should have been a win But I mitigated my risk by half. So I guess you could say I had 1.5 losses today, which should have been actually 1 loss, 1 win. I should have been in the green for today, but it is what it is. Hey, there we go, Bob. Boom. To your level. Amazing. There goes the Bob level. Okay. I'm gonna watch this thing shoot up for a little bit. Jordy, you might long this. Clipper, what's up? Well, looky there, I know. Alpha, have I decided on a tattoo yet? I'm kind of really like the lucky duck and the silhouette. I just don't know how to incorporate it in with the charts. I'm sure I can find a way. But I think a lucky duck and a silly goose will be awesome. To be fair, I do need to book an appointment. Oh, the only problem is where I live currently, there are no good tattoo artists. Zero. I think there's like 2 options and both of them are absolutely terrible. I have to travel over an hour and a half to actually go to a decent tattoo artist. Man, sometimes I miss Joe Broke, but it's fine. Do I teach trading techniques? No, not yet. Potentially, a maybe. There's gonna be, yeah. Oh, Jordy, you break even already? Cool. Okay, okay. Okay, I see okay. I'm gonna call it here. I'll be back tomorrow. I guess today just, it is what it is. That was unfortunate today. But it's fine. I don't like the setup to be. There we go. I was thinking you might come up with a logo for your channel. Just try and get that as a... Ooh, I mean, is anyone here an artist? Out of like a genuine artist? I am not. Oh, do you know who I should ask? I should ask my dad. Right, my whole family, my sister, my mom, my dad, they're all artsy people. They are all artists. I struggle to draw stick figures. I am definitely the black sheep of the family. But anyways, point is, if anyone is here that is an artist and they think they can draw something cool, I'm all for it. Everyone and their dog is doing exactly, Geordie. And I mean, I had my amazing tattoo artist there. It was awesome. And now I'm down here and I have to travel over an hour and a half to get to a decent tattoo parlor. But I guess it is what it is. Rip me. Wait. ChatGPT is free. I can me. But that's no. You can see the art in Discord. Rip, I meant like actual drawings. I don't mean your amazing flair with the charts. Okay? Okay? A black sheep, that'll be a cool tattoo. See, now this is where we get complicated, because a black sheep would be quite cool. You're right. You know what I really want to get? I want to get a baby car. a baby cow on the back of my leg, you know, and be like, it's my calf. That'll be so funny. Like, it's my calf. So I have that really broken sense of humor. I think it's adorable. Anyways. Oh, just do a silly goose. Thanks. Simple. Wow, so not even the lucky duck, because I'm not a lucky duck? Is that why, Rip? Just rude. And just like that, I've been talking your ears off. I'll call it what happened to getting Bob and Old in. I mean, I could still intertwine that, Bob. Sorry. Hey, Thomas, what's up? You joined. We were judging your Christmas tree charts earlier, but it's because that, but whatever. See, say someone's name enough, and they hop on. Oh, you do a lucky duck when you become one. I mean, sure. Not so dramatic. Calm down. You. Listen here. 640. Come on, NQ. Damn, you want it all the way. Okay. Maybe I should just start marketing in with you guys. So screw it. Who needs rules? Let's just be degens. No, I'm joking. Well, I gotta work on it. Gotta do it correctly. Seems like 680 could be in play. Really? Yeah, wisdom ones? Bro, don't you eat? You're gonna put the Christmas tree near the couch. You know what? Rip, I might. I just might. Okay. Anyway, what am I trading? Well, nothing right now. I'm actually probably gonna hop off now, to be fair. Ooh, I've actually gone overtime, my man. Well, I say overtime. Gone longer than I normally do. Wait, apparently I am, yeah. Wow. What I do be fasting to counteract 3 Thanksgiving meals that turn me into a wrecking ball. You know what, Thomas? I get that. That's how I'm kind of feeling today. But, like I said earlier, I'm having a ducket week. That sounds like next week's problem to try and get my stuff together. A ducket quacketh, my friend. So whoop whoop, Jordy. Ooh. Southpaw? That could be. Hey. Southpaw, you sound like an artsy person. Are you not an artsy person? Sorry, for anyone new that's hopped in, this is the most random conversation and has absolutely nothing to do with charts. I apologize. Bye, Bob. Quack, yeah. Okay, let me go. Bob has a good point. Let me go. Let me call it. You guys were amazing as always. Thank you. Yeah, you guys were awesome as always. A bit of a bummer that it was a bit of a red day, but it is what it is. Tomorrow is a new day. We have got this. Tomorrow is a new day. You know, don't let the baddies affect the potential goodies. But I love you guys madly. Thank you guys for the chat. This price section today was also not great, but I did learn that imbalance was really interesting to watch today. Thanks for that one, Rip. That imbalance was awesome. That could be really cool entries, but I'm sure there's a lot of rules that go with that imbalance as well that I do not know of. Like a lot of things. Okay. Again, sorry, I'm talking a lot. I love you guys madly. Thank you again for joining. Your support is amazing. Please don't forget to like the stream. If you want to support even more, like I said, you can use my code TeachMaya with any of the thingamablooppies, the whatchamacallit, the prop firms. Yep, definitely time to go. Any of the prop firms in my description below. Again, I love you guys madly. Thank you for joining. I'll be back tomorrow. London and New York session. We've got this. Goodbye, you lucky ducks.